Okay guys, as I promised, I'm gonna open these boxes finally. I apologize for being taking too long to come to this, but I've been just pretty busy, not only from my work. Besides that, all this YouTube situation right now is adding more work to my life. So I hope you understand that. What is in here is I want you guys to know is action engineering parts for the equipment that I'm already using in here. I wanna show it to you that action engineering is not only about screen printing; it's about many other things. In my case, I happen to order. Let's see what this is. What do you guys think it is? Okay, let's see. Let's find out. I haven't touched them. As you see, they've been closed and everything. So let's find out what we're talking about in here. What do we have? What do we have? Let's see. I'm gonna show you what they are, what is in the bag. In the coming videos, I'm gonna show you the reason I bought them and what each of these things are for. Okay, let's see. Okay, what we have in here? Let's put this thing right here for now. All right. Anybody can get what this is and what for? All right, stay tuned. I'm showing you what this is. Still is a little questioning what that is, but this is one part and it's for something. Alright, I think I'm gonna put this thing in here. Let's see what this got. There's a lot of toys in here. Okay. We have another thing here. Right, this is another piece. Okay, action engineering. It doesn't only do platens. So far, that's all you're seeing. I got another toy right here. Okay, and again, I'm gonna show you why I bought it. What is each of these things right here to use with? Many of you may know it, but this is for the people who doesn't know, and you may have the idea what this is for, but who doesn't know what it's for, I will show you on the coming videos. Okay, let's put this thing. It's a mess in here, I'm sorry, but you know, I want to be as transparent as it is. Okay, we have these other bags right here. It's the same thing. There is no label on the bags, but it's the same thing for action engineering. And again, if anybody knows what this is, if it doesn't know, I will show about it in future videos. This is an unboxing content, right? Okay, let's see what we have in here. Pretty heavy. Okay. This is gonna be a little fun in here. Okay, what we have in here is huge mess. But you didn't leave me no choice. Everybody's like, what that is? Why are you waiting so long? Why you don't show it? We can wait. So I have to do what the public asked for. So let's put this on this side. Alright, you can see it. Okay. Let's put all these things. This cardboard, I'm gonna put it in here in the meantime. Okay, let's put that thing in there for now. Okay, this is one more thing I got. Okay, I'm gonna explain what is that for. That's not only one, that's like plenty of them. Okay, I mean not plenty, they were seven pieces. And I already had one, and that is what made me decide to go for it. So that's 7 pieces. And finally, something that I've been wishing to have for so long, and I finally decided to go for it. And most of you know what this is. Alright? Okay guys, watch this. Look. Nice. Is this, I can tell you, I think I'm gonna tell you what is everything about. Alright? I'm just gonna make future videos about how I'm gonna use them. But this is a jacket holder. Right? I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna be used, because I need the equipment. You know, the equipment is in here, but I have to be able to use the equipment. So stay tuned for you to be able to see what I'm gonna show you. That is this gonna be for. But this is it. That's what I had on them boxes. Again, I apologize. I didn't came to this before because I've been busy. I'm always working on my own in here, so it took me a little while. But last night I was on Big Boy Live and or the podcast from Big Boy, and everybody was saying like, "Yo, stop playing, show it." So here it is. This is what it is about. I'll see you soon.